Hi friends, let me show you this wine dispenser that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a nice automatic dispenser. You get the actual dispenser, different bottle size neck adapters. You get 3, okay? You get the charging cable because this is a rechargeable unit. It's a USB-C rechargeable unit. A towel to clean everything, and this stainless steel straw to get to any size of bottle, okay? Well, first, let me tell you that you turn it on by getting this part down, okay? Then it's so easy. You just put how many milliliters you want to pour every time. Let's say, I don't know, 30, up to a liter, up to 999, okay? Let's say 50. And you select here if you want the wine to be aerated or not. This is an automatic aerator, okay? So let's do an aerator with an aerator, and you just put the straw like this, and you can use it, of course it's aimed for wine, but you can use it with any beverage that has an open bottle, okay? So you just put, and you see, it's ready. You don't need 2 hands to pour the wine. You just do this. As you can see, it's being aerated. And that's it. You see how the milliliters move while it's being poured. Let me show you. You see how they get to 50, okay? And let me show you, we are going to pour this one with no aerator, okay? Just pouring that. You see the difference? Okay, so you get a perfect amount of milliliters every time you pour a drink, and you can do it with one hand, and everything keeps really clean. And when you're finished, you just take this and use it in plain water, with clean water. So your dispenser won't be stored with liquor in it, okay? So you use it with clean water and your dispenser will get really clean. So it's a nice way of pouring your beverage in your bar, and it looks great. Thank you.